Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Karnataka Board class 10 model question paper, last year model question paper. Chapter wise I am going to start important questions chapter wise they may ask in last year question papers. So this is 2023 or 24 paper. So important question from the chapter life process. Today's chapter is life process. So first question is, a person immediately starts running soon after observing a snake. The correct transmission of the path of a reflex impulse in this situation is. So receptor, sensory neuron, brain, relay neuron, motor neuron, effector. Then sensory neuron, spinal cord, relay neuron, motor. The answer for this is answer B, receptor. First it goes to sensory neuron, then it spinal cord, then relay neuron, then motor neuron, then effector. So answer for this is B. So next is, I am just checking only life process chapter questions. So next question will be this. Observe the given figure. Which figure indicates the massive amount of exchange of gases? Why? So here stomata, this is stomata figure is given. So first one is open stomata, this is open stomata, this is closed stomata. So when stomata is open, then there will be a more exchange of gases. So answer for first question is figure 1, open stomata. So this is because the stomatal pore is open. So answer for that first one. Then in the second question, name the parts X and Y. What is the function of other part X? So here what is X and what is Y here? So X is guard cells, Y is stomatal pore. X work is it regulates opening and closing of stomatal pore. So this is your life process question. This carries I think 2 mark question. A, B you have to answer. So half of marks for first one, then half of marks for second one, that is 2 mark question. Then come to next question from the life process. Next is draw the diagram showing the structure of human brain. Label the following part. This carries 4 mark. So hypothalamus and pons we have to mark. So this is a diagram of brain. Marking is hypothalamus, this is hypothalamus, then this is pons. You have to mark. This carries drawing is 3 marks and labeling half of marks. You will get 4 marks for that. Next, explain the digestion of food material in the stomach and small intestine, or explain the role of xylem and phloem tissue in the transportation of material in the plant. So in stomach, for first one question, in stomach, the gastric glands present in the wall of stomach releases hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. That hydrochloric acids create an acid medium which facilitates the action of pepsin. Then pepsin digests the protein. Small intestine, this is stomach. Then come to small intestine. They are asking 2. One is, so see, explain the digestion of food material in stomach and small intestine. So write in point wise, you will get marks for that. See here how they gave marks, half of for each points they are giving half marks. So try to write in point wise. So stomach done. Now come to small intestine. What is the work of small intestine? It receives pancreatic juice and bile juice. That bile juice makes the food alkaline. Then bile salts emulsify the fats in a small intestine. Then trypsin present in the pancreatic juice helps to digest the protein. Lipase breaks down the emulsified fats. Enzymes present in the small intestine juice convert protein into amino acids, complex carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. So that is first question. Explain the function of stomach and small intestine. Here our question is given, or explain the role of xylem and phloem tissue. So how to write? Check it out. Write point wise. So xylem. So xylem work is it water conducting tissue. It is a water conducting tissue. In xylem tissue, vessels and tracheids of root, stem and leaves are interconnected to form a continuous system of water conducting channel reaching all parts of the plant. Transpiration, loss of water through stomata, creates suction pressure and creates a column of water. This steadily pushes the water upward with a dissolved mineral in it. That is the work of xylem. It mainly transport the water and minerals from the root to the all over the body of the plant. Then phloem tissue, it is a food conducting tissue. It transports food from leaves to the all part of the body. So phloem translocates soluble products of photosynthesis, amino acids and other substances from the leaves to the storage organs of roots, fruits and seeds and the growing parts of the plant. The translocation takes place in sieve tube, which help of companion cell both in upward and downward direction. Then osmotic pressure helps water to move into the phloem tissue and moves other material from phloem to other tissues. So this is life process chapter, important chapter. You will get 8 to 10 marks from this chapter. So stay tuned for next chapter.